lang. Christian Laettner!
That's the end of the third quarter, 40-32. Come on, let's play. This is not a timeout. Start the clock. Red ball.
Fourth quarter?
Fourth quarter. Next possession, blue. We have the 24-second shot clock. Rex to Jesse for three. No!
Good, out.
43-32, 11-point lead by the Lakais. 15-second shot clock. Bert power move. He got fouled by Gale.
2 shots.
Wala ni Gale. 7 second.
Second personal on Gale. First team foul on the Lakais. 2 shots for Bert. First basket for Bert is good. First free throw. 43-33. Tampu. Second basket for Bert is good. Now down to a 9-point lead. 43-34. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Jay, fouled by Goods.
Wala ni Goods yun. 67.
First on Goods, second team foul. Jay. Turnaround jumper by Jay is good. Third, 43-36. Pito ang kalamangan ng Lakay. 15-second shot clock. Power move. Oh, traveling.
There's a travel button.
43-36, 7-point lead. Steal by Gale. Nakabawi. Jesse to Goods. Goods jumper short. Rebounded by Trey. Trey pass to Bob for 3 short. Rebounded by Rex. 15-second shot clock. Oh, pass is too strong for Goods to control it. 7 minutes, 7 to go. Bob for 3 short. Bob. Jump ball. Blue ball, blue. Next possession is red. Bert, power move, yes! 43-38, lima na lang ang kalamangan with 6 minutes 30 remaining in the ballgame. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds, Rex escapes, jumper right, rebounded by Rex. Pass it to Roswell for 2. 45-38. Jerry jumper strong. Lovin controls the board. Hook shot, he got fouled by number 15. Roswell.
Oh, foul.
Foul on 15.
First.
First personal on Boss Rene. 13 foul on Lakais. First free throw by Lovin is good. 45-39, 6-point lead. Lakais. Second free throw by Lovin, short. Gale
Bird foul.
Bert foul? Bert foul.
That's the second team foul.
Bert, 1 foul.
First personal on Bert.
Ano? Ay, si Bert. Nagano kayo?
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Steal by Jay. 2 against 2. Jay. No. He passed the ball to the wrong man. Rex gets it. Boston A favorite jumper. All net. 47-39. 8-point lead. 4 minutes 30 remaining in the ball game. Love it. The trail for 3. 47-42. Limang kalamangan ng Lakay. 4 minutes 40 remaining. 15-second shot clock. Rex shot. Blocking foul according to the referee on number 78. That's wrong.
Third personal.
Yeah.
Third personal on ball. Second team foul on Omnishield. Rex to Jesse. Jesse looking for a teammate. Back to Rex. Foul on Jay.
J1.
First personal on Jay. Third team foul on Omnishield. Another foul on Jay. That's Jay's second personal. 4th team foul. But 2 shots for Gale with 3 minutes 10 seconds remaining
The second shot.
after the second shot.
Tahimik.
First basket by Gale is good. 47-42, back to 5 points.
48 na, diba?
Oh,
48 ba?
47 nandito.
Oh yeah, 48-42, sorry. Second basket, 49-42.
Pareho ba tayo? 49, 42? Yeah. Okay.
2 minutes 35.